And there's the chair. Didn't quite line up so good on the seat, but where I clamped it, it did. I also forgot the glue inside, so it's not actually glued together this time. It's just popped in and screwed. So I think I'll have to take it apart again to glue it, but for the most part, it's back together. Yeah, I'll pop it apart and glue it later, not right now. I did something with the stuff. All right, I've got the glue. I'll disassemble the chair, get everything glued and clamped, and then we'll be finished that project. All right. That has the side rails there glued for this part. We'll let that dry, and then we will glue and clamp the other direction. We'll have enough clamps then for that. And then once that's dry, we'll put the seat back on, which we already glued, and yeah, it'll be ready to go back into use. Beyond that, oh my, someone started up a bonfire. It's some smoke in the neighborhood. It's almost 30 degrees today. It's pretty warm for Calgary. I did figure out why the one drive wasn't working on the Z600. It wasn't plugged into the power supply at the bottom, so that's been rectified. I'm now going to find the SSD, which I put back in the little computer, and I pull it out of there, put it in here, and see if we can put Windows 10 on it, get a legit code for it, get it all up and running. I'm still going to need to get a 6 to 2 6s power supply splitter for the other video card. Right now I think I've got a, what is it, X5800 running. It's pretty, I mean, it's good enough to get things loaded, but yeah, that's moving forward slowly. Once the chair's out of here, I want to get rid of some more of this electronic stuff, so I will be purging more. All right, good for today. So we've got a little trailer here to put together for the bikes. See if we can make this useful. And there we have it. Ta-da! Bike trailer. Now I have to figure out how this works at this end too. I'm seeing straps and a bolt and a U-joint. I see. I'm sure the directions will tell me. Finally found those when I opened up the little baggie. that goes over the shaft to the back. Yeah, for a 10 speed it'll be the wrong, or the opposite side of the gears, which is good. Gets bolted onto the bike, and then you just slide the trailer piece over, put in your safety pin, hook up your safety strap, and you're ready to go. Ta-da! Well, let's find the pieces we dropped. Oh, there it is. We'll put the remaining pieces and tools, like they even gave you a slip ring. They give you a little wrench so you can throw the nut on the bike. A little Allen key to tighten things up. Well, that's what the wrench is for. Okay, never mind. Let me put the additional washers and stuff back here. The Allen key and that were for tightening this little guy here. So that it's tight. Here, I was thinking, oh, I have to go grab my tools from the toolbox. Nope. At least. There we go. It's a lock nut, so. Ooh. Yeah, now it's a little deformed, and don't know if that'll be the best. But it's tight. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, a little bike trailer. It's not a covered trailer, mind you. Oh well. Put all the tools back in here. He has a neat little bag, but they didn't have a tie for it. It was just zip tied. And of course, that got cut. And all the other plastic bags, zip ties can go in the garbage. I know. Getting a little dark out. The light is fading. Oh, it is evening. There we have it. So I think one of the first trips this is going to make might be to the bottle return depot, or maybe drop off electronics recycling. Hey. Take a bunch of junk out of here. Wouldn't that be sweet? So, besides getting the chair glued together today, I got this put together. So, I guess, does that count as doing two things with the stuff, or just one? That's only one day, so we'll call it just one. And that will be good for now. Ow! Oh! Yeah, I have stuff hanging from the ceiling too.